What's the meaning of appurtenance? Appurtenance. Appurtenance.
Appurtenance. Appurtenance. The term appurtenance refers to something that is associated with or belongs to another, typically of lesser importance. This can include physical objects such as buildings or land, or legal rights such as easements or licenses. Appurtenances are considered to be a part of the larger property or entity to which they are connected, and ownership or control of the primary asset often extends to its appurtenances as well. The concept of appurtenances is frequently encountered in real estate law and property management, where it is important for owners to understand what additional rights and responsibilities may come with their holdings.